In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall WordPress on your HostGator hosting account, ensuring you have the clean and fresh start you need for your website. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or simply starting over, this process is straightforward and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's start by logging into your HostGator cPanel. The cPanel is the control panel that allows you to manage your website with ease. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the software section. Here, you have a couple of options to proceed. Either click on Quick Install or Softaculous Apps Installer. Both tools are designed to help you install and manage software applications on your server, including WordPress. For this demonstration, you can choose the one you're more comfortable with. They both function effectively. After you've selected your installer, you'll see a list of various applications available to install. In this extensive list, look for WordPress, one of the most popular content management systems thanks to its flexibility and user-friendly interface. Selecting WordPress will take you to the next essential step. Now, choose the domain where you want WordPress installed. This is a crucial step, especially if you have multiple domains hosted under your account. Be sure to select the correct domain to avoid any confusion or mistakes in the installation process. Once you've confirmed your choice, you'll want to remove the existing installation of WordPress. Look for the option labeled Remove Installation or Uninstall. This will clean out the old setup and prepare your hosting environment for a fresh installation. Once you've successfully uninstalled WordPress, it's time to click that Install WordPress button. This will prompt you with a series of instructions needed to set up your new WordPress site. During this setup, you will be asked to create your admin credentials. Be sure to set a strong admin username, password, and provide a correct email address. This information is critical. It not only secures your website, but also ensures you can recover your access if needed. Finally, complete the installation process by following any remaining prompts, and you'll be directed to log into your new WordPress dashboard. Here you have a fresh slate to start building or rebuilding your online presence with reliability and control. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide makes the process of reinstalling WordPress as smooth as possible.